ओके सर।
यानी ये
हेलो
ऑनलाइन
एवरीवन।
स्ट्रीम होगा?
नहीं सर, अभी तो रिकॉर्ड होगा पहले, फिर
ओके
एडिट होगा, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग इसको यूट्यूब पे डालेंगे अजौर वाली कम्युनिटी के, और फिर इसके अराउंड एक सोशल मीडिया पे कैंपेन करेंगे।
ओके
ठीक है सर, लेट्स गो। या
ओके, ठीक है।
हेलो एवरीवन, वी welcome to the another session of the season of AI. We're being joined by a special guest, Mr. Vadgama. Jalpesh Vadgama is a Microsoft valuable professional and has been contributing a lot and has helped immensely in terms of growing Azure developer community here in India. Thank you so much, sir, for doing it on a weekend. Really grateful to you. Over to you, sir, now.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. So, hello everyone. This is Jalpesh. Actually, I'm from Ahmedabad, and I have got more than 7 years, 17 years of experience in web development, cloud solution, and enterprise grade applications. Currently, I'm working as a Future Stack Solution, like co-founder of the Future Stack Solution. I have been awarded Microsoft MVP 12 times. I'm currently MVP in Visual Studio and Development Technologies. I am also an active member of the Ahmedabad user group, and this is my blog. And my blog has been awarded top 60 .NET blogs in the world. And currently, like I am exploring generative AI and other Azure functionalities there with the OpenAI. So that was a short introduction about me. So basically, our today's topic is generative AI for .NET developer. So this will be a introductory sessions for the generative AI because we never done the generative AI session on this. So this will be introductory there. So as you know, like today world is taken by artificial intelligence. So basically like AI is everywhere, whether you are having your customized feeds on the social media based on your liking, or you are analyzing the images and other technologies with the help of AI and categorizing those kind of images. So in this presentation, we are going to get bit of the AI, Chat GPT, and generative AI. Those are the things which we are going to explore. So let's start with the introduction of AI. So what is artificial intelligence? So basically it's a agent automating tasks typically performed manually by humans. So basically like in future, or we can say right now, like AI is replacing human tasks. For example, earlier we need to identify our our credentials, or you can say our documents like Aadhaar card and power card, and everything that is verified by the humans. But now with the help of AI, we can automate those kind of stuff. So basically, like it is going to learn from your documents. It is going to learn from your behaviors. It is also going to learn from the data, and those all kind of stuffs will be there. And based on that, like it will run some algorithm, and then that algorithm will create a prediction for that, like whether my Aadhaar card or my PAN card is true or original or not. So that is what AI is. Then we heard lots of about the machine learning. So basically, machine learning is used to predict the uh, uh, future based on the data. Basically, that uses algorithms like neural network, or a couple of other models algorithm to identify the patterns in the data, and based on that the pattern, it will do the prediction. And then you must have also heard about the deep learning. So basically, deep learning is something like it's a part of a machine learning, and it is a machine learning technique that uses algorithm called neural networks. So then we this is the topic of the today, like generative AI. So basically, generative AI is used for like deep learning algorithms to generate neural networks, and like it will provide the output in terms of text, prompts, images. So like basically it will create the text or images. So in terms of the generative AIs, like there are a couple of services available there for the .NET developer. So that is Azure OpenAI and Azure Cognitive Services. So let us see a little bit of the cognitive services available in the Azure. So here I am going into first I am checking the Azure OpenAI. So here you can see there are lots of services available. Like you can see the computer vision is there, then the face API is there. So computer vision is basically like it will detect the content of the images and videos, and based on that, it will identify and analyze the content. Face API is something that like it will detect and identify the people and the context or emotions of the images. So then we have speech services available. So basically, like it's providing you the speech to text, text to speech, translation, and speaker recognition. Then we have language services there. So basically, what it will do is like it will provide you the natural language processing that we are going to look into further in the upcoming presentation. Then couple of other services are also there, like bot services. It is there. Then we also have Azure AI services. So in the Azure AI services, like it sets its set of cognitive services. So you can see what are the cognitive services available in the Azure. Here, one second. This one. So basically, most of the things are already covered. So here we have language-related specific services, then speech-related services, vision services. You can say uh, it is also provide the cognitive search there, and we already seen the Azure Open CI services. So those are the services which are available in the market right now, and we can also use those things there. Then, what are the frameworks or libraries which are available in the for the .NET? So we have semantic kernel, we have ML.NET, that is machine learning.NET. So that is very easy to learn. And if you see here, so that is the same kind of library which are available for Python, like TensorFlow or any other open source available. So this is from Microsoft, and it is built for .NET developer. You you are going to get those things with the AutoML, and you can also extend it with the TensorFlow, and like it is very easy to run. So those are the frameworks available. Then there are a couple of other automated machine learning frameworks are available, which are open source. Then we have just like PyTorch, we have Torch Sharp. Then we also have C Sharp, which is kind of a TensorFlow.net. Then we have Open Neural Network Exchange, and then the Plotty.net. So those are the libraries available there in the Azure.net content. Now we are going to move into like little bit deep about the AI and the ML. So basically, we all know like if you have checked ChatGPT there, right? What it is, how it interacts with you is like in the human languages. Like you can ask question and you can get information there from the prompt, and then that prompt once you ask the question, it will prompt you the answer, and that is all happened because of the natural language processing. So basically we are going to see what is natural language processing. So natural language processing is basically a technique which are instrumental in generating and comprehending the human language. So basically, what natural language processing does is it converts your human language into the way the machine or the library or the ML model which we are using can be like which we are going to use for the uh, artificial intelligence or the prediction. It will convert your human prompt into the way that particular library understands. And this like as I said, like this technique will allow the automation of tasks like producing documents, like you can create um, chat chatbots. You can do the crafting, like you can do the insert pull, like code comments, and those other stuffs are there. So uh, uh, once you like want, whenever you want to create AI application or you want to do some prediction at that particular time, basically what you need to do is like you need to use AI models. So there are tons of models available, like for example ChatGPT, BART, like bidirectional representations, and a couple of others like you can say there are uh, lots of AI models available on the GitHub. You can see the LLM, like large language models. Those are there in on the GitHub. You can find LLM for the images. You can find LLM for the speech. You can find it for NLP. So those lots and lots of models available on the artificial intelligence there. And this kind of models are already created by lots of good companies and expert people. So we just need to train those models and based on the data, and then it will provide you some kind of the prediction there. Apart from that, like it will uh, uh, allow you to understand like human-like text and offer suggestions that can significantly streamline the coding process. So Now, uh, Chat GPT. What is Chat GPT? So, as you know, before the Chat GPT, we were not using AI that much, but like Chat GPT has revolutionized the AI world. Basically, now everybody is using ChatGPT to create their documentation, their presentations. There are uh, lots of other stuffs there, right? So, what is ChatGPT? So, basically, ChatGPT is a model which is called General Pre-trained Transformers, which is developed by OpenAI, and that can be used for like a wide range of language-related tasks. So, what it means by language-related tasks? So, it is basically like it will interact with you like a human. That is, you can say in the simple way. So ChatGPT builds top on it, and that is like based on this GPT model. And now we have GPT 3.5, GPT 4.0, lots of other subs are there. And those ChatGPT are define like the builds top on the roles and the message chat history. So what ChatGPT builds is it has different kind of roles, and the another thing is the history, which is maintained on the ChatGPT website. So we are going to see in the next slide the ChatGPT roles. So basically, there are three types of roles there. One is system, second is user, and third is assistant. So what is system? So system provides guidance for assistant. It generates rules and instructions that assistant use to generate content. So basically, what system does is like it create a roadmap for the assistant, which is another role. And what it will do is it will create a set of rules. So if we ask ChatGPT, hey, create me a image, like you already got the example of Bing, right? So Bing or Copilot. So that is now built in with the Windows. So you can create images and other stuff. So here you can say, hey, create me images of playing child with has like who has a bat in his hand. And so what it will do is like it will create a set of instructions and rules for that, and that assistants, or you can say the chatbots, will use that rules to create or produce the contents in the conversation manner. The second type of roles is the user. So user is the person or system interacting with the assisting, providing input and receiving response. So basically, user is something like us humans who are going to interact with the Chat GPT prompt or any OpenAI prompt. So we are going to talk with that prompt, and basically that prompt we are going to ask question via that prompt, and that prompt will connect to the assistant, which is a chatbot of the chat gpt, and then that chat gpt will use that particular system role which created the rules and instructions, which is the and then that model will create a rule and instructions. And like what our system will do is like it will create or generate the responses to the user or our input in a conversation manner. So there are a couple of examples there, which is can be generated with the generative AI. One is the automated customer support and answers. The second one is like you can say personalized user experience. Then there is a smart chatbot. There are a couple of document processing engine which I already talked. Like you can verify important government documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card automatically with the help of AI. Earlier, like it was not that much easy. Now, with the help of AI, you can create. So, one of the greatest example is the Copilot, which is introduced by Microsoft, and that you can use is now built in Windows itself. So here you can say create image of MacBook laptop with Python wallpaper on it. And basically, what it will do is like it will process our instructions, and then it will create those kind of events there, right? So now we are going to see some of the demos there, which is available there, right? So while it generates the events there, what we are going to do is we are going to create an simple console app. So before moving to that, what I wanted to do is I already showed you the Azure AI services. Like this all AI services are available there. To like .NET, right? So I account there. So here you can see I have created my OpenAI account there, right? With my company Future Tech Solution, and then basically like you need to create the API keys there. So basically, what it will does is it will give you a secret key and like it will provide you $5 trial version. Plus, do remember like there is one glitch there. This Azure OpenAI is only available to company. It is not available to personal user right now. So that's why I am using the OpenAI library, which is already developed by OpenAI, right? So here, what I have done is like basically I have created a simple console app there with the help of OpenAI, installed the Naked package. And what I wanted to do is available there. And what I am creating is a prompt. So, like I am creating a prompt like once upon a time, and I am restricting it to 100 tokens. So it will generate like 100 responses of that particular thing. So in the packages, you can see I have installed the OpenAI version there. And basically like I have created a very simple example because like this is a introductory session, and I don't want to get into like very complex stuff because there are